Dun, 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 dun.
Can you relax me in a minute?
Not that one. You've gone off and you can't reload. That was 2. You get some real height. Higher than I can get. Higher than I can get.
That was cute.
Hey, come here. You bro. Jenna, come here.
Jodie's head.
Fine, Granny. Come here now. Jenna, I'm talking to you. Come back here. Jenna. Have you got a talk? Jenna. Jenna. Come here now.
Well guys, this is Reese on its second account, doing some fireworks on the Saturday. Quite boring, but I hope you guys are having fun. Dun, 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 dun. Brightness. I'm sick of these arguments. It's still recording. Yep. When's the next firework? I want to do the final one. I want to do the green one, the big one.
I'm coming to help. Where's
Okay, and here's the next firework. Bo, you're in the way of the camera. Okay, let's get a bit closer then. Oh,
I like the next one.
there it is.
Is this going to get higher?
I don't think so. I think it's the right height.
The fountain of all times.
I do get a bit high.
Can I have it next?
The fountain of all times. Now it's time for a bit of trampoline madness. Anyway, this is going to be either a wild video or a short video because of the fireworks. Oh, and on the bin there, you can see, are the fireworks. Anyway, next one. Wow, wow!
Please go that button. Next one.
Next one! high one. Okay, that's good. Okay, next we got a high one. Okay. Why do you keep shaking that torch thing? Okay.
I think this one's quite a high one.
Whoa. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, it was. I had a feeling it was.
Was that one?
Yeah, I mean,
Aww. That was sick as well.
Crispy bacon, crispy bacon.
I know that one, Crispy Bacon.
this says it's a screamer.
Screamer. Oh. This one's really loud. Can someone get me some earmuffs? This one's loud. Normally this one's real loud. Okay, there we go. It's lit.
It definitely screamed.
From now on, I need to record at the top.
How are you going to get it? You'd be like,
I know. That's what I've been thinking. What one's that? No. Is that the big one? Which one's that?
it says it's a large
Yes.
bomb, so it will go up.
Okay. I gotta be recording this. This one is gonna be good.
Got it?
Yep. Sally.
Wow.
Which one's next? Okay. Trampoline.